Welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match talk, how you see them. Everton won and Manchester United 2. And we get AB here when saying in AB to me will be Ogbonge Manchester United fan. Make tell us about how you see this game. AB, now how you see Manchester United performance for this game?
We can't shake somehow for second half, but overall performance is just about winning. Not to win the match. Not be say we call here. Yes, so not be say you call draw 3 point now with the fine. All those long talk, you know, deal at the 3 point. When we are going, when you keep winning and when you win, they boost your confidence. That time, you can't say you want to do more. You need the confidence first. Establish the confidence. There's a foundation. You need the foundation first to be strong. Yes, you build on this one to go forward. Then you can't think, let's add more goal. We need to be more clinical and stuff like that. But for now, yes, we accept this as a good performance.
All right, make I ask you now, AB, about Cristiano Ronaldo.
Roro don't try. I will not say I'm his biggest fan. I like Messi, but Roro, like, yes, the hard work he puts to it is that zealous. Even when you be like say, you know, they form in the verse, you understand that passion, that drive, their body. He wants to do more. He wants to add like an impact to the game. If you no score in the verse, if you dey play bad in the verse for yourself, in the question yourself, say, how far? You never do well, do more. You understand? That zeal, they push you, they go front. They make them, they want to improve every time. And that's the kind of zeal we want in all our players. And that's what we want, that positive mindset. That's what we really want in Man U.
Okay, now, Oga, which player now you think say play ball pass for Manchester United for this match?
From our defense, let me start rating for the defense. Martinez and Lindelof, they were like, they were like compact today. The only person shaky was that lot. If you notice, Anthony had to like overstress himself coming backward. If he hadn't defended well, then we would have had problems because that lot was shaky, very, very shaky today. Then in our midfield, Harrison was like mad. The moment he became so tired, our midfield died. Harrison is like one of the best signing, or if not the best, Man U has had this season. Like, I will commend the Manchester United board. Kudos, because they don't sack our guy where they before. That's where they owe our money. Woodward, they don't sack our commodities. Now, one of our problems, he don't come on now. You know, say, when you come out the problem one by one, we don't come on Maguire also. Our problem with the commodity small. Pogba don't go. We just, the coach know what they do. Now brain, you just the tactic they come out there. With the, you understand? Yes. You know, go do one once, may you understand. Na sensible, na wise man, na worried man. You get sensible, not just there for nothing. The reason why. That's what the thing. Therefore, our forward, Aurora and Anthony, they tried. Our forward tried. Rashford, like they were just so good defensively and attackingly today. They tried very, very well. I'll say kudos to them. We did it. It was a good. It was like, I'll say the match was like more of a teamwork, team effort. Everybody had to put in their all. So it's not like one person or something. Everybody did offensively and attacking. Yes, everything was just compact. Yes, we tried.
Yeah, you don't talk about the manager now, Eric Ten Hag. Now you're saying they use him brain well. With what you don't see from Eric Ten Hag so far, what do you get to talk about this kind of style when he come from Ajax, when Manchester United they play now? What do you get to talk about the manager with what you don't see so far?
Yeah, the guy, yeah, he tried that. Where we know the guy tried. A reasonable coach comes in, he come. First preseason match, the 2 matches, we no play Maguire, we win. We play Maguire, they win us, we draw. Season starts, he no start Maguire for 2 matches. We win them. Maguire come, problem day. He don't notice and say, this guy, you no get pace. You they give away penalty and stuff. He don't come more than one first. It's making it to everyone known that once you not play well, if person play well for your position, you go day bench first. When you get your chance, grab and well. That's the mentality of Guardiola. Man City get stars. The time you enter, you play well. So everybody go get that urge to want they do well, want they come, so that you go give the coach say, how far, give a selection problem. So like team selection, you go to think, you go say, this one do well, this one I want to do one part. Now that time you go come know, say, let me just go with this one, go with this one. So if wahala dey, now we go. So Ten Hag is doing a good job because he's not using sentiment and bias to pick his team selection. He's using it based on ability, what he sees, and your inputs. Now they use to do your team selection. Yes, he's doing a good job. Yes.
So make I ask you now, what do you see from Manchester United and Eric Ten Hag? Where you go to predict say Manchester United go finish by the end of the season?
Man U matter, na big matter. Arsenal now don pick form. Man City, Alan no want allow people rest. Liverpool, I know say we go top Liverpool. That one I feel good bash for that one. Chelsea now, Man, you fit still dey the top 4. We fit still dey. If we play well, we go dey. There's no how you tell me you play well, you no go dey. When you play well, you go dey. If you not play well, you go Europa. We not play well last season. We dey Europa. We played well during social time. We go Champions League. So if you play well, nobody go deny you the spot. You must stay there. So it's just about consistency, improving game by game. There was a match we lost. They said my players, the coach analyzed it, was like my players ran less. So he had to cut short, same to the coach, he had to cut short their holiday and make them run that mile they could not cover in the field.
And they run out with them.
They run them. That's the mentality of a coach. When you see players making mistakes, you correct them. You don't just allow them and say go for holiday. You stop their holiday. Then they pay them. You go work your money. If you are shower, they work your money. You go work your money. That's what it be. You must work. You not go just say you just sit down. Go buy, you go just that go buy bed with our money. Wait till they worry you. You go call the play nonsense for us. You must work your money. Now be workshop. You must work for your shop. Now every week they know they owe you salary. Not be like Nigeria government. You not get anything to complain of. So you must work the money now. That's what it be. Now be the mentality.
Not be lying. All right, AB, thank you for your time. Your first show.